Hey, this is Dr. Darwin, the new dentist coach. Got a special announcement. Special announcement. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here's the announcement. Look, this is an announcement for my international and foreign trained dentists, right? You guys, I've been getting a lot of emails from you, and it's time to do a training just for you. I'm going to be doing a special training. It's called Dr. Darwin's Make Me a U.S. Licensed Dentist Now online training live with me, Dr. Darwin. All right. It's coming up. And in this powerful session, this training session, we're gonna work together one-on-one as a group. We're gonna work together to create a plan of action to uncover some of the barriers, some of the fears, or some of the issues that are slowing you down and getting a license here in the U.S. and practicing here in the U.S. And after that session, we're going to make sure that you're feeling confident. You will feel confident and ready to take action and ready and feeling like you have the tools that are going to prepare you and allow you to finally achieve your dream of becoming a dentist here in the U.S. So how's that sound? Sound good? Sound like you're interested? Sound like there's something that you want to do, that you want to get that training? I hope so, because a lot of you been telling me that's what you want. But listen, I'm only doing this training for a limited number of people. All right. I've got so many inquiries that I can't do it for everybody. I'm only going to be able to do it for a couple of people, or more than a couple, but just a limited number. Maybe 10, maybe 15, maybe 20 people. So I'm only looking for people that are serious, that are ready to take action, not now, but right now. All right. It's really, really important. All right. So two things I want you to do. If this sounds like you, the person that I'm talking about, the international foreign trained dentist, if this sounds like you, I need you to do two things for me. Two things for me. First, number one, send me an email at newdentistcoach@gmail.com, newdentistcoach@gmail.com. That also can go to Dr. Darwin at thenewdentistcoach.com. You can send it there. And in the subject line, I need you to put in live training for international/foreign trained dentists. Live training for international foreign trained dentists. Put that in the subject line. And then the second thing I need you to do in the email that you're going to send to me, I need you to put down some of the topics that you want me to talk about. All right. I'm going to be covering a lot of things, but I want to be more specific because this training is specifically for you, Doc. All right. This is for you. So I need to know what topics you want me to cover so that we can have that all laid out in our training. All right. There it is. That's the special announcement. Special announcement just for you. So look, let's do it. Send me the email. Send me the email. I want to see some emails. These next couple of days. All right. And the more emails that I get, the more I'm able to help all of you. All right. So send me that email. Looking forward to helping you become a dentist here in the U.S. Let's go, guys. Let's get it done. Take care.